Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib Kai. After watching this video, you won't sell your SHIB tokens. Today, Shiba Inu is set to offer more than it did at its peak, making it one of the most watched cryptocurrencies in the world. Though Shiba has faltered this year, falling 70%, investors are still curious as to whether it can regain its previous momentum. The popular meme token sold for an astounding 45 million last year. In this video, we'll discuss how cryptocurrency is making progress in the metaverse and developing a Layer 2 scaling solution. You won't ever sell your SHIB tokens. Don't forget to give this video on Shiba Inu news a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent Shiba Inu news content. Inu price forecasts and professional evaluation. Without further now, let's start the video in accordance with the white paper. Shibu was developed as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community creation, and it has so far succeeded in achieving that objective. The token's gains have been greatly aided by the group of supporters known as the SHIB Army, who have united behind the token on social media. It's a token that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. You can invest in Shiba Inu and use it to pay for goods at a select few retailers or stake your tokens to earn passive income. The creators of Shinu are working on a Layer 2 scaling solution called Suri, which will improve transaction speeds and cut costs for users. Although a launch date has not been announced, Shinu is expected to become a stronger cryptocurrency than it was in the past. Shibu also has been developing a metaverse. This features plots of land for sale with the idea of building an entire virtual community. Eventually, SHIBAINU will put more than 100,000 lots up for sale. So far in an initial phase, it's made about 32,000 plots available once Shibum and the Metaverse project are fully up and running. Shino will be a stronger player than in 2021 when it posted enormous gains, but even these projects don't help you stand out from the crowd, so there isn't an apparent reason for this crypto to soar. An even bigger problem is the number of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, which is 549 trillion. So if Shibu were to increase from its fraction of a cent level today to $1, its market value would explode as its market cap would reach $549 trillion. That's higher than the entire crypto market, and solid companies like Apple. Even Shinu's burn efforts aren't enough to remedy this problem, although many experts have tried to explain this incredible growth and the rise to fame of Shiba Inu. There isn't a unanimous agreement, but some people think Shiba Inu's blockchain technology outperformed those of its rivals, providing faster transaction times and more security. Ultimately, no one can explain why this cryptocurrency became so successful. All that is known is that Shibu created waves during its brief but spectacular existence, and its legacy will endure long after its unavoidable demise. Some have speculated that it was the frenzy surrounding meme coins at the time. Shiba Inu has been characterized by sustained sell-offs in 2022, aligning with the general trajectory of the digital assets market. However, with no signs of a possible bullish trigger in the short term, the SHIB community still bet the token would end the year on a high. The SHIB community on CoinMarketCap estimates the token would be valued at an average price of $0.11 by December 31, 2022, representing gains of 17.53% from the asset's price at the time of publishing. The estimates are based on votes by 2,924 members, leveraging the price estimate feature, according to data retrieved by Finn Bold on November 12. Notably, the BET by community members aligns with SHIB's increasing number of holders, an indicator that investors still believe the token would rally in the future and possibly regain the highs of 2021. In this line, SHIB has witnessed a steady increase in holders, with the figure at 1,024,347 as of November 11th. The holders represent a growth of 3%, or 37,225 over the last 3 months. The SHIB technical analysis remains bearish at a point. The decentralized finance token is feeling the effects of the FTX crypto exchange liquidity crunch. Indeed, a summary of the technical align will sell at 14, but the moving averages favoring a strong sell at 13, while oscillators are neutral at 9 on the asset has gained less than 1% over the last 7 days, according to the daily indicators. In the meantime, SHIB has prolonged its losses over the past week, trading at 0.96, down more than 23%. It is noteworthy that SHIB has experienced some respite following Elon Musk's acquisition of the massive social media platform Twitter. More specifically, the acquisition of Twitter by Musk served as a temporary catalyst for Doc's belief that cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Shib would continue to be well-liked by traders. For example, it has been revealed that Shib accounts for roughly 20% of the $2.9 billion in assets held in the reserves of the cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. Notably, the platform released its findings, which increased pressure on crypto entities to provide evidence of reserves regarding the liquidity crunch overall in order for SHIB to make substantial gains. The future prospects of the assets are primarily determined by the general cryptocurrency market's price trajectory. Hundreds of billions of tokens are being moved by Shino investors amidst the cryptocurrency turbulence. Market referencing information from the Ethereum Analytics platform, either by scanning project INU burn. Shiba Play claims that in a series of transactions, cryptocurrency whales moved 877 billion SHIB tokens, valued at $7.8 million. The first transaction, involving 202B 438 and 22430 SHIB, was made on November 2nd, at a time when the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was trading at a high of 0.13. The second transaction, involving 190 billion SHI to crypto exchange Crypto.com, was made on November 6th, at the same time that the digital asset reached an intraday high of 0.13. Wallets from crypto exchange Binance initiated the third and largest of the three transactions on November 7th. When SHIB was trading at an intraday high of 0.12, the whale moved 485 bill 794 498 147 of the tokens to one of its wallets. Since then, Shiba Inu has fallen along with the overall decline in cryptocurrency markets. SHIB is now trading for 0.00000001, down 12.73% in the previous day. A large portion of the market decline has been correlated with issues at cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which just signed a tentative deal with Binance to buy pancakeswap. Due to reports of FTX liquidity problems, the FDT token has lost more than 68% of its peak, and the exchange's native token is currently trading for $4.79, 93% less than its peak. The skeleton, one of the tokens introduced by developers along with the shibaswap decentralized exchange, is the shibaswap token. The price of the planned Serum Layer 2 blockchain bones and the non-fungible Shashi tokens saw a successful August after several exchanges listed the governance token, but it has since corrected and was down 14% as of October 31, 2022. The Shashi developers launched the ShibaSwap decentralized exchange in July 2021 to give users, known as the SHIB Army, a platform to exchange their SHIB tokens for other cryptocurrencies. SushiSwap and ShibaSwap run on the Ethereum blockchain with tokens based on the ERC20 standard. BONE was created as the governance token for ShibaSwap, enabling users to vote on proposals for the project's future development, including which pairs will be added to ShibaSwap via the Doge Decentralized Autonomous Organization. ShibaSwap was created as a fork from the SushiSwap DEX with a different fee incentive structure and native tokens. The user's vote has a greater impact on the outcome BONE the more BONE tokens they own. There are currently 6.97 million BONE tokens in circulation out of a total supply of 229.99 million, according to CoinMarketCap data. The 250 million maximum supply was designed to fit between the massive 500 trillion supply of SHIB tokens and the much smaller supply of leash tokens. ShibaSwap has a maximum supply of 250 million tokens, which are minted to be paid to users who provide liquidity for exchange pairs on ShibaSwap. Launched as a rebased token, do killer functions similarly to an algorithmic stable currency, employing an algorithm to automatically adjust supply in order to maintain its price relative to another asset. The entire supply of leash has been "that's it for today." Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content. Leash is the second token on ShibaSwap that is rewarded and has a limited supply of 17,640 tokens, according to the Shiba Inu website.